Hi everyone, welcome to Bikini Design Club. On today's short video, I will be introducing you to our swimsuit pattern, Gigi. And here you have view A of the Gigi swimsuit. I say view A because you also have two other views, view B and view C, using exactly the same pattern pieces. So let's explore the general features of the swimsuit, and then I will show you view B and view C in detail. So in view A, Gigi is an asymmetric swimsuit pattern. It's a non-reversible pattern, however, all the top part of the swimsuit was sewn with hidden seams, and has a reversible with 2 layers of main fabric, so you will not see any stitches on the top area, front and back. The lower part of the swimsuit, however, on the leg holes, you will see a zigzag stitch, which I will pop up an image here so you can see in detail how it is, that zigzag that I've made, but also on the waist area you don't have any stitch visible. The hip is medium hip and the coverage is quite nice, but if you want to change the hip high and also the back coverage, you also have videos available for that, already available on our YouTube channel, so you can explore changing the pattern if you want. The sew along is ready and it's already available for whoever buys the pattern. You just have to follow the links and the instructions and you will have free access to the tutorial. Now let's explore the other views for Gigi. So on view B, you will have straps going over your shoulders, and it will be a symmetric pattern instead of asymmetric one shoulder like view A was. To be able to sew view B, you just need to use one of your front top pieces from the pattern and cut it symmetric. Just like I'm gonna pop up here, you should cut it symmetric and you will have your view B. If you go for view C, it's also a symmetric pattern, but instead of going over your shoulders like view A, it will tie on your neck, on the back of your neck. So it will be symmetric on the front. However, the pattern piece that you are going to use, I'm going to pop up an image here, it's not the same that for view A. It's actually the other side of the front pattern piece. Of course, this changes the back, the look of the back, because when you change the front, it will also change the back, of course. But it's always a beautiful pattern. And that's it for today, girls. I hope you like this new pattern and I hope to see you soon. Bye!